Hey guys, just want to show you a quick video of how people might use automations when it comes to tasks inside projects. So basically you're going to have a database that is your projects, and then you're going to create another one that is for your tasks. Then you're going to relate them both together. Property that is relation, and you're going to relate it to the tasks, and we're going to show it on both databases. And now we can see that the projects are linked to the tasks and the tasks are linked to the project. Then we're going to put a copy of this task list inside our projects template. So we're just going to copy that there and make a new template, paste it in, and we're going to filter it so that the project is this one here. This first one here is the one that is actually the template, so it's automatically going to relate to the template when it pops open. Now we're going to set this is our default template for all of our projects. That just makes it easier. That way it'll open up every time we open a project. And there we go, is our task database. So in order to set up our automation, let's say your automation is every time a project is started, we want to add the task to call the client. So we're going to go into automations and we're going to name it. You can name that whatever you like, new clients, and we're going to add a trigger. So the trigger is when a page is added to this database, page is added, and the action is going to be to add a page to the task database. And we are going to call that task call client. And then you might want to then change another property. So the tag, you might have chosen tags, or you might have been able to put date properties in here, and then you're going to select a date property. So the last thing you want to do is change that relationship here to relate back. So it's going to relate to this page so that everything is always related. All the tasks that you've got are related to this project. So now we have got call the client. There's nothing tagged, but you can choose and change other properties. And we have related it to this project that we're dealing with here. Now, if we have more tasks that we want to do, we would just duplicate this one. And now we duplicate it so that it goes up. So here, and then it will be the next one in order. So the orders are a bit backwards. So this one is first, then this one. So you can create the correct orders, and then you might add in it. Pretty much looks exactly the same, so it's a little bit confusing. So then just change, there might be a second task that you want done, send email, and then you've got those two tasks there now. So if we go back here to our projects page, I should click new. I might give it a name, new project. It should automatically have chosen that template when I go in, and it has, and it is automatically added in these two tasks. So we can see that that will happen every time. Now, of course, we would want to tidy it up and get rid of the properties here, and we might add a whole bunch of other task properties, but that is basically how you would use an automation. When you've got the two linked databases, you set a trigger, and then you're going to set what you want to happen, what actions you want. And there's a lot more that we can do, but that's a very simple version.